This drawing might look messy, but if you look closely, it's just two mirrored shapes with a small extra piece on one side. And watch out for intersections that could cause trouble later. Only this edge isn't symmetric, so we need to remove the symmetry constraints to make the changes. We can select all the corners that need the same chamfer and apply the chamfer tool in one go. In the two-length chamfer mode, you can set each side length separately, but here, both chamfer lengths are equal. When working in CATIA, there are a few things you definitely want to avoid in your sketches. First, open profiles. Features like pad or pocket need a closed loop, otherwise the operation will fail. Next, self-intersecting profiles. If your sketch crosses over itself, CATIA can't detect a valid contour and the feature will fail. Overlapping elements are another problem. Elements sharing the same space often confuse CATIA and break the profile. Similarly, duplicate geometry, like lines or arcs stacked on top of each other, can mess up the solver and prevent contour detection. Finally, missing constraints. Unconstrained sketches might shift or deform after updates, which can break your model. Keep these in mind, and your sketches will stay clean, stable, and feature-friendly. These two lines are intersecting, so we need to fix that to make the sketch valid. You can either turn them into construction lines or mark them as output features. When you create an output feature from a sketch element, it's removed from the main sketch and becomes independent in the 3D model.